Hi, I'm Suzanne Lord, and thanks for watching Go Kids Craft Club, where we always have fun with crafts, activities, and snacks for kids. If you like our videos, please subscribe. Today, Grayson and Oliver are making frozen yogurt dots. It's a really easy, fun treat to make in the summer. I hope you guys enjoy. Hi, everybody.
Hi!
Oliver and Grayson here, and today we're going to make yogurt dots. You guys have never made yogurt dots before, have you?
Yeah!
So let's try. Okay, let's put on our aprons.
Okay, put on our aprons.
All right, so Grandma made some last night so I could show you what they are. These are yogurt dots. You want to try one?
Yeah. I also try this one.
You like it? I'm
Yeah.
glad. Cool. So now we're going to make our own. It's cold, huh?
No, I like opening.
You like yogurt dots? Okay. We have a pan for Oliver.
Hey, okay, make
Yeah.
one.
We have a pan for Grayson.
Yay!
All right, I'm going to have to put the camera down while we're making.
Are we making those?
So what we did is we used yogurt, and we used red, white, and blue, strawberry, blueberry, and vanilla. I did get Greek yogurt.
I want this
We
one.
want to try to do it without the fruit because we're going to put it in a baggie and squirt it onto the tray, and then I rinse the cups out for later use. All
Okay.
right. Good job making your dots, Ollie.
They're done.
You are. You did a good job. How are you doing, Grayson?
Almost. Let's go in. I can taste it whatever will be. I'm just kidding.
What flavor is it?
Banana.
It is vanilla. What flavor do you have, Grayson?
Blueberry. Am I taste? No. What's this one?
That one there is strawberry. So we did red, white, and blue. Strawberry, blueberry, and vanilla.
I don't banana.
Okay. And now we're gonna, can we put yours in the freezer?
Yeah. It's gonna be so tasty. It's just like perfect. I'm done. Look at all those dollar dots. That's
Let's
so
see.
many.
And here goes Ollie's in the freezer. And Grayson, you're all done and you're ready?
Yes.
Okay. After they're frozen, we just put them all in a cup. We rinsed out our yogurt cups so we can use those. Can you put them all in a cup? Then they can go back in the freezer for later, or we can eat them now. Do you guys know what flavor that is? What is it?
Banana.
No.
Strawberry.
Nope. It's mango. Did you guys have fun making yogurt dots? All right, say goodbye.
Bye.
Well, that was a lot of fun making and eating our frozen yogurt dots. Comment below your favorite flavor that you tried.